guys, and welcome. My Look Fantastic box is here, and this month is a bag. But before we dive into that, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you love all things beauty like our YouTube family does, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join us. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, make sure you've got a kettle on, you pulled up a chair, and let's go. Like I said, this month it's in a bag. Every year Look Fantastic do a kind of travel themed kind of bag sort of going away. This month's theme is it's time to get away. So yeah, you've got a nice sort of bag that you can travel with, which is cool. And people are traveling more now. So yeah, it's a good time. If you're unfamiliar with Look Fantastic, they are a monthly beauty subscription service. You can get a wide range of products in there. You never know what's going to come. They do tend to be skincare heavy though, but I will put all the details and a link to their website in the description box down below, so you can go and check it out for yourself if you want to go and have a nosy. But yes, let's just dive in. I've not worked out how much the value is of this month's bag, so yeah, this one's a bag. I will pop it up on screen, but I have noticed there is not one full-size item in this month's bag. And there are two items that you could have got an either or of, and the one I wanted I didn't get, so I'm really downhearted and a bit annoyed with this one. But yeah, you've had your sneaky peek of the bag. I'm going to give you a sneaky peek of one of next month's products, which I'm quite excited to be trying. So yeah, I'm just hoping you don't get one of them. Otherwise it'll be disappointing. But if you don't want to know what it is, then close your eyes now. And there we go. Like I said, I'm quite excited to be trying it as I do use these. So yeah, let's just hope you get more than one of them. You can open your eyes now. You get a magazine. They did go digital for a while, and now they've gone back to the magazine, and Glossy Box have gone digital. So yeah, they're kind of taking it in turns. I do prefer the magazine though, because it's something that I like in my hands, and I normally run a hot bubbly bath and read it in there. So yeah, I will be referring to the magazine. There are 4 items in this month's box that you are guaranteed, or bag that you're guaranteed to get, and then the other 2 are kind of either ors. So let's run through. We have got the sneaky peek from last month's box. I was so excited to be receiving this. This is the Rituals of Karma, and it is the Soul Shimmering Body Oil. It's so blimmin' small. I'm getting really fed up with these small kind of sample sizes. Like I said, there's not one full-size item in this bag, which is really annoying. But yeah, I was so looking forward to this. It's a perfect time of year to be getting it. I just wanted to smell it. I'm now going to cover myself in shimmery oil. But there we go. That's what it looks like. And it is very, very shimmery. Oh, I like that. It smells stunning. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of rub it up my arm. Oh, I like that. That's it's kind of sweet, but it's got a very citrus kind of base to it. Very, very nice. And I can also smell something that reminds me of the Johnson's Baby lotion. No, the one in the pink bottle. Yeah, I do like that. That is going to be perfect for the summer. And I suppose as an oil, you're not really going to use a lot of it. But if you are a regular oil user, you're going to plough through that really fast. So yeah, pleased to be trying it. I just wished it was maybe twice the size and it would have been better. And Look Fantastic have said it's the Ritual of Karma body shimmer oil. You get 30 mils. It's a very small size, isn't it? 50 mils would have been nice. And they said this luxurious body oil is infused with tiny shimmering mineral particles to reflect the light and add a stunning shine. This non-sticky formula feels light and hydrating on the skin, and it does. I don't feel overly oily. I've got shimmer everywhere. And it says shake well before each use to activate the shimmer dust and clean skin before applying the streak-free coverage. So yeah, I quite like that. It is very, very nice. My skin is going to absolutely love it. And in the summer, if you've got something on like this, I do apologise. It's so hot today. Yeah. It would look really nice. Shoulders, arms, yeah, legs. So yeah, pleased but disappointed as well. The next item we've got is from the brand Grum, and this is a plastic-free purifying facial cleanser, and it's to detox and purify, and it's activated charcoal and lemongrass. I'm not a fan of lemongrass. It's one of those fragrances I really don't like. This is palm oil free, made in the UK, vegan, it's cruelty free, and it's 100% natural, which is absolutely amazing. I have tried a Grum product before. I absolutely loved their sunscreen. I had a really cute little sort of pot of it. It was so sweet. If this smells overly lemongrassy, I know that's not a word, lemongrassy. I'm not gonna, I don't like that. I don't like the fragrance of it. That is really lemongrassy. I might clean my makeup brushes with it. I might pass it on to a friend, or I might put it next to the sink to use as hand wash. But yeah, that's yeah, very, very lemongrassy, and that is absolutely tiny. Not a full size item, again, like I said. So disappointed. It's nice, you know, it's nice to try it. It's just lemongrass is a personal preference, isn't it? And it's very, very small. And Look Fantastic have said it's 50 mils. This is a zero plastic cleansing bar which is handmade using activated charcoal to magically absorb toxins, leave skin clearer and brighter, and detoxifying lemongrass oil to promote a smooth and supple texture. And it says lather up with warm water in the shower or bath, cleanse face, rinse thoroughly. So yeah, I might try it just to see kind of how it works, but I really don't like lemongrass. Ellie might like that. My daughter might enjoy it. The next item I'm quite looking forward to trying, but yet again, it's a very small sample, and this could have been bigger. It's from Bondi Sands. It's the Face SPF 50, and it says very high protection. It's UVA, UVB. It is water resistant, and it's fragrance free, which is cool, and it's absolutely tiny. It looks like it's vegan as well, and cruelty free. There we go. Really, really nice, because I've been wanting to try this for a while, but that is absolutely tiny. Absolutely tiny. There is, how many mils in here? 10? Maybe 20 mils, I think. I will have it on screen when I do all my editing. So yeah, I'm not going to undo that yet, because I'm not sure when I'm going to open it up. I've already got one that's open. And there's 10 mils in there. And it says the Bondi Sands fragrance free SPF 50. It says thanks to this non-greasy consistency, the cream is comfortable to wear and easy to apply, while water resistant technology works to keep your skin safe for up to 4 hours. Ultra moisturising, the lotion offers intense hydration, transforming skin from dry and dull to smooth and silky. Well, that's cool. It says shake well before use, apply evenly to unprotected areas, 15 to 20 minutes before exposure to the sun. And even though it says it's water resistant, if you're going to wear something like this in a swimming pool, I would always reapply it when you get out. Yeah, just because you want to maintain that protection. That's just something I've always done. I do it with myself, I do it with the children. If we're poolside, they're in the pool, they kind of get out, they're going to spend a prolonged period of time out of the pool, I always recoat them back in their sunscreen. So yeah, reapply after the pool. But this is nice to try. It's 10 mils. It's absolutely tiny, and I'm getting a bit fed up with very, very small sizes. Now this one's a little bit bigger, but it's not full size. It's from the brand We Are Paradox. It's the Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner Hair Mask Finishing Cream. I really liked this when I used this before. This is 50 mils. I think I either got this in Look Fantastic or I got it in Glossy Box. This is absolutely stunning. I used it, I'm going to open it up, just to sniff it. Oh, well, yeah, this was my problem with the product when I used it before. So I'm going to have to get a wipe. When you use it, because it's a compressed metal tube, it just continually squirts out. Smells absolutely stunning. It works amazingly, but as you can see, I've just wasted a shed load of product, and this was my problem when I used it before. So yeah, now I've got something stuck to it, but it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful on the hair. I used it as a hair mask. in the shower or the bath, wash my hair, pop this on, go about my business with everything else, leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off. Beautiful. But the packaging is just doesn't work for it, unfortunately. And they have Look Fantastic have said, we are Paradox 3-in-1 conditioner, 30 mils. It says 50 on the thing. Yeah, this says 50, this says 30, so that might be full size. It's bigger than what they say, and it's the biggest product we got, so I'm just going to take it. And it says, the conditioner envelops tresses with rich nutrients from Irish carrageen moss, honey locusts and nettle to help fortify, smooth and tame. Antioxidant matcha green tea combined with hazelnut coconut oils offer intense high-powered conditioning action in synergy. It does leave the hair feeling very soft. It left mine feeling very smooth as well. Absolutely beautiful shine. So I'm very pleased to be getting it again, but we've not long got it. It says, after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. You can also apply to towel-dried hair as a leave-in conditioner or dry hair as a styling cream. Now, I never used it that way. I just went in as a hair mask. So yeah, the last 2 items in here, I'm a bit disappointed with. Sorry, I'm crashing everything about. I really wanted the 3rd item, which is the Skin Chemist Youth Series Rose and Lavender Intensive Night Therapy Serum. This was the only full-size item that was available, and I didn't get it, which I'm a bit annoyed with. Yeah. So, but I got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro. I absolutely love this. I've got a whopping great big pot of it going at the moment. It smells absolutely, oh, beautiful. This is summer. I have raved about this so much in the past. It's a favourite. Really pleased to be getting it, but it's very, very tiny, yet again. So yeah, it's nice to have it, but come on, they could have done a bigger size. And the other item I got is from Ciate London, and this is the Glow 2 highlighter. Now this item isn't full size either. I know with a highlighter you can get away with smaller sizes because you don't really use a lot of it. I'm actually going to have to smash this packaging apart. But that is absolutely tiny, and it is the size of sort of like a small single eyeshadow, which is really disappointing. This is in the shade Stardust, so I'm hoping it's inclusive. Yes, it is. A few skin tones will be able to get away with it, but if you've got a deeper skin tone, that's not really going to be that usable because it looks white. So yeah, I'm pleased to be getting it because it's nice to try. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It feels really creamy, and it's blending into the oils I've got on the back of my hand very nicely. It's absolutely tiny, and if you're going to offer an either or and one of them's full size, make sure that you're getting a full size product. Everybody gets one full size product because it's not fair. And the value of this product here is about 40 odd pounds, which diminishes the bag quite significantly. I think when I was trying to work out what I've got in this bag comes to less than £50, which is what they guarantee the value of every month's box. So it is disappointing, and they could have cured that by making sure one of them was full size item. But that's the end of me complaining. We're just going to run through and then round it off. So we've got the Ciate London highlighter in Stardust, like I said, very nice, but not very inclusive. The We Are Paradox Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner Hair Mask, absolutely love this. Nice to have it again, but like I said, again, it's on the small size, and we've recently got one. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I prefer saying Bum Bum to Boom Boom because it's so much more fun. Like I said, it's really nice to have it, but it could have been bigger. Could have been a lot bigger. We have got the Grum Purifying Facial Cleanser. Because of the lemongrass, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet, or, you know, I don't know. On the fence with that one. Bondi Sands Face SPF 50, absolutely fabulous. I've heard a lot that this one is really, really good, but it's absolutely tiny. So yeah, disappointed, but perfect for this time of year. And the Rituals of Karma Soul Shimmering or Body Oil. Absolutely, you know, I was overjoyed to see something like this, but it smells beautiful and it's shimmery and glittery, and I'm finding it hard to hate on it. But it's absolutely freaking tiny, and yeah, like I said, I'm getting so fed up with the really, really small sizes, and it wouldn't surprise me if we start seeing the small sample sachets soon as well. So, disappointed. Very disappointed. Let me know in the comments below what you kind of thought of this month's bag or box. And am I the only one thinking they're getting a lot smaller and we're getting a lot of repeats and it's just not as good as it used to be? Yeah, let me know. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.